Good morning, class. It's Tuesday, April 14th, and we're going to be looking at our calendar today and our number of the day. So grab your yellow do-tay and join me. Okay, remember, if you still have time or you still have coloring to do, go ahead and take some time and do that coloring. We are going to have to add some days from the weekend. We had Good Friday already down, the 10th, which was a holiday. We need to add the 11th for Saturday. We don't need to add the 12th. It's already there for Sunday. The 13th is already there for Monday with no school. And we are today on the 14th. So please go ahead and add 14. When you color on your umbrella, you're going to need to color number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, and number 14. And your umbrella should be half full by now. The weather forecast says it's going to be cloudy with rain or snow. So you decide what weather you want to use. I'm going to say it's cloudy today on this tally mark, and I have 4 under cloudy. And in my weather chart, I am going to say it's raining. So I'm going to need my red. Oh, I think red is for windy. I'm sorry. I'm going to need my blue, because blue is for rainy, and I'm going to put a rainy one in. When you look at your weather, whenever you're doing your calendar today, please go ahead and put cloudy if it's cloudy. That would be a black one. Rainy if it's rainy, or if you happen to be up when it's still cold out in the morning, it might be snowy that day. We're doing double-digit numbers this week in our numbers of the day, so join me for a new page. Please remember, we're practicing writing our date. In class, we used to write our date on every single piece of paper we did, but at home, we don't need to do that. We don't want to forget how to do it, however, so we have Tuesday to Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. Our number today is the number 25. 2 digits above 20, so we know we have 2 10s and 5 1s. We're going to be counting by 2s to decide if it's even or odd. It could be a double question, but we only memorize the double questions up to 20, so we might not know that one right off the top of our head. So the easiest way to decide if it's even is if we count by 2s and we say the number, then it's an even number. If we count by 2s and we skip the number, then it's an odd number. So count with me starting at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. I skipped it, so it must be an odd number. One more than 25 is going to be 20. I'll start at 20 to count up. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And backwards, I'll count down from 30. See if you want to join me for that one. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24. The other easy way to do what's one more and one less is knowing that I just need to add 1 to this 1-digit column. So 5 plus 1 is 6, and the 2 for the 20 just stays in front with 26. I can subtract from 5 1 less to get 4. 5 minus 1 is 4, and put it down here, and the 20 stays the same in the 20s column. That will work anytime as long as your number's not 9 or 0. If your number's 9 or 0, you need to make changes in the tens column. I want 2 addition questions, and I want 1 subtraction question today using 25. I always like to use my tally marks or my 10 frames to help me create my numbers. So I'm going to have 20 full, 2 full 10 frames make 20, and I need 5 more. I know that's half of a 10 frame. 25. In 25, I have a 5, a 5, a 5, a 5, and a 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of 5. So I need 5 sets of tally mark groups in 5. Remember, 4 go down and 1 goes across. There's 4 of them. I need 1 more to show 25. I can use either of these to help me get my questions. So if I said 5, 10, 15, I could say 15 plus 10 more equals 25. Just by splitting my tally marks into a group of 15 and a group of 10. I could do it a different way if I want to use 5. and 20 more. Or I could use my 10 frames to help me say 10 plus 10 plus 5. Or I'm going to just use 20 plus 5 as my question. We want a subtraction question. Oops, sorry, that equals 25. I was thinking ahead and my numbers went differently. So I have 30 spaces available in these 10 frames. So if I take 30, how many are empty to show me 25? I see that 5 are empty. So 30 take away 5 equals 25. We don't have any 100s. We have 2 in the tens column, and we have 5 in the ones column, and we're finished our number of the day. Go ahead and do your number of the day page and try to make some different equations that add to 25 or subtract to 25. If you want some extra work with the number 25, grab your whiteboard and make as many equations, drawings, 10 frames, tally marks as you can to show the number 25 in how many ways. Have a wonderful day.